Hi friends, in this tutorial I will teach you how to fix the system cannot find the file specified error in Windows 10. Before proceeding, I request you to please click on the subscribe button to continue watching more such tech and how-to videos. Now let's go ahead and proceed with the resolution. The very first thing that you need to perform is to make sure that your Windows is up to date. For that, open your settings menu and click on Update and Security. In Update and Security, in this left tab, click on Windows Update and make sure your Windows is up to date. Now we'll go ahead and proceed with second step. In second step, you need to open your CMD by clicking on Start menu and type here CMD. Run CMD as an admin mode. Now you need to type here a command check disk /F. After that, hit the enter button to fix any kind of registry error in your PC which is causing this system cannot find the file specified error. It will take a lot of time, that's why I'm not going to hit the enter button. It will take 15 to 20 minutes, so be patient and let it complete, and after that restart your PC and again check if the problem is resolved or not. Now we are going to proceed with third step. In third step, open run command by simultaneously pressing Windows and R key and type here REGEDIT and hit the enter button. Now here you need to locate a path. I'll provide this path in the description below so that you can easily copy and paste over here and hit the enter button. In this current version, you need to locate a file run once. It will be in the alphabetical view. If run once file is available at your end, let it be. If not, again choose current version. In current version, what you need to do is to right click on it and click on new and click on the key button, and here give it a name run once. Once the key is created run once, you need to open the default value and make sure it should be left blank. After that, restart your PC and again check if the problem is resolved or not. If still the problem is not resolved, we are going to proceed with fourth step. In fourth step, we are going to delete the profile image path key. Copy and paste this path over here. Now here is the profile list. These are the 4 keys available. Check each key one by one for the profile image path. Make sure that profile image path in all 4 keys are present. Like at my end, profile image path is present in all 4 keys. If the profile image path is not present, what you need to do is to right click on that particular key and delete that key from the registry editor. And after that, again restart your PC and check if the problem is resolved or not. If still somehow the problem persists, in fifth step we are going to delete config value. In order to delete config value, here again I have another key that you need to copy and paste over here and hit the enter button. Now in control set, you need to find a key, network config key. It will be in the alphabetical view. If the network config key is available at your end, kindly delete that key. I have a network provider and network setup. I do not have a network config key. At your end, if you find a network config key, you need to right click on that key and delete that key, and again restart your PC and check if the problem is resolved or not. If still somehow the problem persists, we are going to proceed with last step. In sixth step, click on the start menu and type here CMD. Run CMD as an admin mode. Here you need to type a command vss admin list shadow storage and hit the enter button. You need to type here vss admin space resize space shadow storage space slash 4 equal to C drive space slash on equal to C drive slash max size equal to 5%. You can see that I successfully resized the shadow copy storage association. Once the VS admin storage space is resized to 5%, kindly restart your PC and check again for the resolution of the problem. If problem is not resolved, you need to delete the shadow copies completely. For that, you need to type here a command vss admin space delete space shadows space slash 4 equal to C drive space slash all and hit the enter button. You can see that no items found that satisfy the query, which means the shadow copies are deleted at this end. Now hit the exit button and restart your PC and check if the problem is resolved or not. So that's it about it, friends. If you like my tutorial, I request you to please click on the subscribe button to continue watching more such tech and how-to videos. Thank you, friends. Thank you for watching.